Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. Yan nga pala yung install namin kanina. Ford Ranger Raptor 2023 model. Nagpakabit siya ng set of Evo wing bar and owning natin na soft case 6.5 overcast. Yan guys, kahit mainit, napakainit ng panahon, talagang tsinaga naming kabitan. Since si client is from Laguna pa. So, sinadya niya lang talaga yung product namin dito. Yun lang ang pinunta niya dito sa Green Hills. Yan guys, yung mga gustong magpa-install ng tulip product natin, located tayo dito sa Green Hills. Along EDSA lang kami, kay Lera kami ng Ford and KFC bago mag Primex building. Just follow my YouTube channel guys for the next video. Thank you.